Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to use Google Docs in landscape mode. This is actually quite simple. First I open a Google document and as you can see it's currently in portrait mode. To be able to use the landscape mode in Google Docs I now click on Format and Page Orientation. Here I can now first select whether I want this for my entire document or, for example, individual sections. By dividing the document into individual sections, it is also possible, for example, to move a single page to landscape format. In this case, we use this for the entire document. Now we select the landscape orientation and click on OK. And now we can see that our document is now in landscape mode. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.